Hello, all. Good morning. Welcome to the day 4 workshop on the simple methods to program your sleep for high performance. Friends, today we are going to see some simple methods which covers the body points on acupuncture and ear points. See, the term acupuncture means it's divided into two words, which is acus in Latin meaning needle, and punctura, it's meaning piercing. So, by piercing a small needles, very, very thin needles at specific points in the body, it enables to enhance the well being and health of the individual. Though acupuncture, there was like kind of lot of debate going on whether it started from India or China or some other places. Let's not get into the historical moments, but like as of now, we have got some documented evidences from the Chinese medicine stating that acupuncture was it got documented from China, and it is mainly used for therapeutic or preventive purpose. It is also called as a complementary or alternative medicine and accredited by WHO. So the person who is really trained and experienced in the field of acupuncture can really do a lot of treatment. But we also can do as a self treatment. There are certain points or there are certain places where we can do self treatment for enhancing our well being. So through this process, what happens is that the body tend to release certain neurochemicals. That is the basic idea. So when we insert needle or just apply small pressure using our hand, it activates certain neurochemicals like endorphins, serotonin, etc. This will relieve the pain or it enhances the well-being of the individual. So that is the funda behind the acupuncture. So the central nervous system is the greatest pharmacy in the world because it carries specific signals to the brain and also releases neurochemicals. Vice versa, it sends signals to the brain and receives inputs from the brain. So it's the, what you can say, the best pharmacist in the world. So your body mechanism knows what's the problem. Your body intelligence can work on the issues which you are facing, probably your health related issues which you're facing, and can take profound action. But for to happen all these things, you should need a sound sleep. So when you have a very good sleep, then the greatest pharmacist, the central nervous system, will act on your body and identify what are the reasons or what are the health related issues which you are facing, and will act upon it. Okay, so our point is that like we should have a good sound sleep. There are certain points which I'm going to discuss. When you see the video, there are a lot of pictures which I'm going to put it. So just apply these pressure. While applying these pressure, what happens is that you can do it in a clockwise or anti-clockwise. Pressure meaning do not over pressure it, just a gentle massage. Say how you just gently massage your hands or your legs, etc. So that's how you're going to do it. So the first point, there are a lot of names which I'm going to say. Let's not get confused about it. Just say it's like kind of pointers in the hand, etc. That's what I'm going to say, and you can watch this video repeatedly to know where the point actually is. The first point is called as pericardium 6. In acupuncture language we call it as PC6. It is like kind of a small hollow space on your palm, like just below your palm. When the palm faces upwards, you can easily see the specific point. Okay, you have to do a gentle pressure of 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise, just trying to console that particular point. This is one of an effective point. Second point is called as Heart 7, HT7 we call it as, and it's like used by many acupuncturists around the world, and it's one of the best point for a lot of pain syndromes, emotional issues, people facing cognitive functions. All this are related to the heart one. So it's kind of a source point for the heart channel, and when you just pressurize it, like kind of a massage it very gently, you can find a lot of difference. Your heart rhythm gets in an average position. You can easily feel very comfortness after massaging this point. So this is like heart 7. You can see that in the picture now. The next one is like gallbladder GB20. It's like kind near to our eye, back of the head. This is also very very easier point. So usually when people like who sits for long hours, in due to business, or people who are working in IT BPO companies, they feel very like kind of head ache or something like that. So when you get kind of an headache, or like since you're staring at the monitor for a very long time, your eyes gets irritated, etc. So at that point in time, or before during sleep, you can just massage it. It's very easy to do it. So if you could look at the picture, there is a where you can fold both your hands, and then you pressure that particular point. You can see a small dip at the back of your head. So that is the point, that is the exact point. Just gently massage clockwise and anti-clockwise for 3 times. You can easily do it. And the last point here is called as the third eye point, which everybody knows. Just like gently massaging on these things, it will enable to reduce the headaches, anxiety. It will enable to calm your mind. When we say like the calm the spirits, like calming the mind. So it enables us to calm everything down, and then when you go for sleep, you will get a very very profound and a sound sleep. So these are like kind of an acupuncture points which I say. So you can do it every night before sleeping. So do it for some time, like 10 or 15 minutes. Set aside for 10 or 15 minutes. Relax your body and mind, and then you can go into sleep. Even before bed, just like sit on your bed, or before you sleep, just sit at the particular mat. Do this particular massage on these points. You can easily get a very very profound sleep. If suppose if you find all these points difficult, or if you do not know like where it is exactly there, I'm going to give you one more easier manner, which is called as the ear points. So ear points, again, it is coming originated from the acupuncture thing. It is also a diagnostic and treatment based system. So there are a lot of people who have said that like it was started in Chinese by Han dynasty, or it is also one of the profound thing in acupuncture, or it was founded by a French scientist like Paul Noguer. So a lot of things are going on. Let's not get into the history about it. What is very important for us is like the points which we need to press so that we get a profound and a good sleep. So here is the points. Like there are a lot of points in kind of a orange, red, blue, and there is one in purple. Okay, first our focus is going to be only on orange and red. So these 5 points, orange you can see three different points, and red you can see two different points. So like orange is master cerebral, zero. PT is like nothing but 0 point Shenman. And in purple you can, sorry, in red you can see insomnia 1 and 2. So these 5 points you can just gently massage. Okay, you can just watch the particular video where the point is being located. You can see the face in the mirror, or you can just gently massage the entire ear. Very simple. Just massage the entire ear, and you will definitely get a good and profound sleep. Simple. Okay, if you have time, you can use the the blue ones, which is like, again, we have got 6 or so, but I would first suggest you to go with orange and red. So these 5 points gently massage. Either you can do both the acupuncture points which I said in the previously, and also this ear points, or either one, whichever you are comfortable is. So the better manner you do it, the better sleep you will get. Simple. One of the important thing which I wanted to iterate is the precautions. See, please do not apply any heavy pressure on these points. Just massaging, or like how you tighten the screw, never do it. It's Do it very very gently and lightly. Do not over puncture or over pressure where the skins are infected. Some people may have some skin infections or ulcers, or some there is maybe wound or that particular location. Do not touch at that point in time, please. Okay, so you may hurt that particular infections more rather than treating your sleep disorders. Avoid any caffeinated beverages or any alcohol kind of a smoking after pressuring these points, because you're calming down your body and mind. So again, doing this will will increase your, or will impact your body and mind, and you may not get any heavy good sleep. Sorry. And avoid any heavy meal after pressurizing these points. So you can pressure these points now after 40 minutes having food. If you have food, leave a gap of 40 minutes and then pressure these points. So do not do it even after having a heavy meal. most importantly is that women with any pregnancy or having any issues, please do not do it self. See a licensed acupuncturist or a licensed medical practitioner when you are in pregnancy. So do not touch any of these points in during pregnancy, please. Okay, please see a licensed acupuncturist, and then they will guide you or they will treat you. So do not have your own self treatment. And similarly, individuals who have inserted any foreign related objects, like pacemaker I'm talking about, or any plates, be due to an accident or something, do not do any self treatment. You guys too. Please see a medical practitioner or licensed acupuncturist. They will treat you. And most importantly, do not withdraw any medicines or tablets which you're currently using. So you may be taking tablets for kind of for even for insomnia or for sleep disorders or diabetes or for any other thing. Do not withdraw immediately, right? So this particular treatment is just an add-on. You need not withdraw those treatments. Once you get accustomed to a better sleep, your medical doctor will itself will say like to withdraw, because you're getting better and better, so you can withdraw the medicine. So do not take any decisions of withdrawing any medicines by yourself. See the medical practitioner, and then they will guide you. I hope you like this particular session. And if you have any questions, doubts on sleep related issues or any of these points, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Have a nice day.